How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to fix the tailgate latch handle on my 2003 Toyota Tundra. We broke it yesterday with a bed of mulch in the back, and I could not even get the gate down because there was no access to it. The handle broke. It was a mess. I was frustrated. I ended up pounding it out with a hammer, trying to squeeze things to make it open. Didn't work. I ended up having to take off this back plate, finagling the rods. I think I broke a rod, which we'll see when we open it up, but this is definitely shot, and we're gonna replace it. It was 20 bucks or around there, maybe 15 off of Amazon. I will put a link to this in the description. And I also broke some of my little rod ends, so I got a bunch of them. I only needed 2, but it was like same thing as that. So if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. Links to the parts will be in the description, and let's get into the fix. So you probably haven't gotten your handle out yet. In order to do that, you got to take off all of these torque screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we're going to take off. And it's a T30 on my truck. It may or may not be a T30 on yours. And once we get all 8 of those T30 screws out, this should lift off. Get that out of the way. This lifts off. Get that out of the way. And that gives us a look at my broken latch, which you would take that out with 2 10mm bolts. And then I busted this. And I think I busted that. And then I busted this one over here. So broke that. Broke this one. Broke both of those. The one over here is still good. You can see that how it works. So we're gonna fix this one first. It's the purple one. The purple one is the one that clamps like that. Gotta get this out. So either there, just like that. So we pried it up, and then we're gonna put this one into that hole. The camera is in the way. So getting it in there is really difficult I can't get it with my fingers, even with the camera off. So we got 2 bolts here. We had to loosen it up. Luckily I had a T30 socket, and that loosened this up. That way I can get the latch out. It's just 2 bolts, and then the latch comes out. Now you can pop this rod off. Okay, so we need to get this here. I'm just wiggling it. Maybe take off a little more. So hold it in and then pull it. Try to push it through with pliers. Got one side, got the other side. And I literally could not do that without grinding off a little bit. We'll put the rod on first. It just goes in there. Like that. And these Torx line up the bolt holes. Screw them in by hand, and then I'll torque it down. Not over tighten, but just tight enough. Now we are here. 10mm with an extension, and mine's just spinning because nothing to hold the rivet nut. There we go. So we had to hold the rivet nut with a pair of pliers, and then we got out that bolt. This was the rivet nut. This one we should be able to get out. Nope. It's spinning also, so we gotta hold it with the pliers. There we go. You can totally feel it when it breaks loose. That initial amount of corrosion. Now, while I have this off, we're gonna take out our lock, and that's just this little lock ring. Looks like it should hold it. Let it come out. There, just like that, the lock comes out. Open that lock ring. And that one you just push in. You want to make sure that this is in the down position. It moves both levers. If it's just in the up position, it weakens it. So that's the unlocked position. Now we're going to install this. Got to kind of work it. And then just get it lined up by hand. Now we have to reattach these. So I'm going to take the old one off. All right, it just broke. So I'm going to push it. That worked a lot easier. You just push it in, and then, can you see? I'm just putting it in the hole and then pulling it. There we go. So just like that, we are repaired. Reverse install the plate. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about this repair, throw in the comment section. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any other tips or comments, let me know about them in the description. And you might as well hit this with some WD while you got it open. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.